In this video, we will see code implementation.
Now let's quickly check the code implementation of the two approaches that we have discussed. Okay, so I will first create an count bit function. Count bits is equals to this function that has a value of n, right? Here I will create an array of new array size of n plus 1. Remember, it was given in the question. Now what I will do, I will say for let I is equals to 0, I less than equals to n, I plus plus. What will be my array of I? Array of I is equals to whatever the count one is, right? That will be my answer, and I will simply return it. Okay, but what is this count one function? So basically exactly the same function that we have done. So function count one that has some value of suppose j, right, or suppose y. So what we will do, the same thing, we will take one count is equals to 0 while while y is greater than 0, y greater than 0. What we will do, we will simply say if y and 1 is not equals to 0 or it is equals to 1, simply count plus plus, else do y is equals to y shift r, basically right shift, and here in this function after this while loop I will simply return the count, right? So this will basically, for this one that we have created, it will return the count. And yeah, this will be my approach one. Now what will be the my next approach? The function 2, let me put approach 1 here. And what will be next approach? That approach 2. Okay, here in approach 2 we will basically, again I am not writing the function, basically I am writing the, that what we will do, again we will create a new of array of size n plus 1, right? Save, I will first add the two values, right? So my arr of 0 equals to 0. Now suppose if the n is equals to 0 only, then I will simply return array from here itself. Otherwise I will say array of 1 equals to 1. Okay, and now for let I equals to 2, I will start from 2, I less than equals to n, I plus plus. Okay, what I will do, if I modulus 2 is equals to 0, that means if it is even, what I will do, I will simply say whatever the by 2 value will be my value. So basically whatever the division of I will be my value, so I by 2 will be my value, simple. Else what I will do, else if it is an odd, right, so we will take the floor value, because now we can get decimal numbers. So I will create an x equals to method dot floor of I by 2, right, and I will say array of I will be our arr of x plus 1, right, and that's it. In the last, what we will do, we will simply, after this for loop, we will return array. So this will be approach 2, right, and here we have discussed the approach 1 exactly same, right. In the next video I will give you a very short dry run of these two approaches, because this approach we have already discussed, so I guess there is no need to dry run, but for this approach I will give you a couple of steps to do the dry run. Okay, so see you in the dry run video.